Hello everybody, today we're going to solve a logarithmic equation. We have log base 8 to x plus 4 plus log base 8x plus 6 equal to 2. So in order to solve this logarithmic equation, we need to make changes to the left side of the equation. We need to have only one logarithm on the left side of the equation. So we have to use what we call the product rule. You have log base b xy, that's the same as log b x plus log by. So we are having here two logarithms, and we're going to go from here to here. Okay, combining these two, since I have two logs with the same base, I should get log base 8 2x plus 4, the first one, times the second one, x plus 6 equal to 2. You may want to put a bracket in here. Now you have two options. You can expand this first, or you can convert it to its exponential form first. So if you recall, log bx equal to y, that's equivalent to the base b raised to what the log is equal to, which is y equal to x. Now converting it to its exponential form, we get 8 squared, 8 raised to the second power, equal to all of this, 2x plus 4 times x plus 6. Now if you notice, this is a quadratic equation. If you were to distribute here, you're going to get 2x squared. So this is a quadratic equation. We're going to solve this quadratic equation. 8 squared, you get 64 equal, you can go ahead and do 4 2x times x, that gives us 2x squared. 2x times 2, that's 12x. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 6 is 24. Now we need to take 64 to the other side of the equation. We need to make one side equal to 0. So here we have 0 equal to 2x squared. Combining like terms, 12x plus 4x, that will give us 16x. 24 minus 64, that will give us 40. Now we're going to solve this quadratic equation, and we're going to try to solve it by factoring. You notice here we have the GCF is not equal to 1. It's equal to 2. So we need to factor the GCF. If you factor the GCF, this becomes x squared plus 16 divided by 2, that's 8x, minus 40 divided by 2 is 20. Now we need to factor the trinomial in parentheses. So we have 0 equal to, since this is x squared, this one would have to be x, and this is x. And now we need to find two numbers whose product is negative 20 and whose sum is 8x. So we have 20 is 4 times 5. If we think about the number 20 without the sign first, you have 10 times 2, you have 20 times 1. And if you look at this, you realize that this is your only option. Since you need a product of negative 20, one of them must be negative, and the larger one must be the positive one. So this one must be the negative. So 10 minus 2 is 8, and 10 times negative 2 is negative 20. So that will give me x plus 10, x minus 2. Now solving this equation, we set each factor containing a variable equal to 0. Since 2 does not contain a variable, we don't do that here. X plus 10 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0. Now solving for x, we subtract 10 on both sides. This cancels, you get x equal to negative 10. Now remember, we cannot take the log of a negative number. If we plug in negative 10 in the equation, what are we going to have? Negative 10 plus 6. That will give me negative 4. We cannot take the log of a negative number. Okay, so it's not a possibility. And it won't work for this one either. As long as it doesn't work for one, you have to eliminate the solution. So this is not a possible answer. And solving for x in the second one here, we have to add 2 on both sides. This cancels, and x must be equal to 2. Now that is the solution to the logarithmic equation. Okay, everyone, I hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.